All right, you guys, so let me show you what's going on with this trade here. This is two simple trades you could have won today on NQ or MNQ, depending on your account size. But right here, you can see that the breakout happened right here on this first candle. It triggered, and that was at 9:30, which is 30 minutes after the market had opened. Okay, and then the very next candle, boom, 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 and this is on the 3-minute time frame. So basically, from entry, you had here. That's 3, 6, 9, 12 minutes. Within, actually, in this candle would hit 3, 6, in 9 minutes, your target was hit right here on the morning breakout, 9:30. So it only took 9 minutes for your target to get here. Now, later on, this is the afternoon. The market is slow. London is closed. I'm about to close it straight here. Or what I'm going to do is trail it. But you can see the market, oops. Yeah, let me do this. I'll move it up right here. So I'm locking in profit. So initially, here was the entry right here. And you know these move when the pattern moves. So at first it was in the downtrend. It started going in an uptrend and going sideways, which is, you can see, touched here, touched there, and now it's going this way. So now we basically had a new setup where the stop was down here. Entry was right here. I got in late. I was in the middle of some things, so I got in late. I could have got in down here on the first candle right here, which would have gave me a little bit more profit, but that's okay. So two simple trades, one sell, one buy. I'm in the trade now. You can see the money is still moving. The market is very slow, which is what I like because it's very slow, you know, not a whole lot to worry about. I'm gonna take this 300 right here per account. It may push higher, but I'm cool with the 300 per account and I'll be done, all right? Because here's the actual target right here. You can see target has got hit. So the stop was here, entry was here, target is here, and now it's just lagging here. So instead of being greedy, I'll just call it done for the day. So here's two simple trades that you could have taken that could have made you profits, and you would have been easily done. Oh, we got a new setup. It just popped open. Y'all seen that? See why? Okay, so here's what happened. You can see this candle closed right outside of the trend lines, okay, the parallel channel, right? So we have one candle closed right here. So now this setup has happened. So what you want to do is enter right here. So if I did like one position, just to show you guys a live example, okay? So boom, I'm gonna hit that. Stop goes right here. Take profit goes up here, and that's it. You set it and you forget it. Literally, that's it. You can see it's already moving into profit. Okay, already, just like that. So any little extra is cool with me. You know, no big deal. I was done for today, but you know, I'll let this sit. But at least you guys see exactly how the setup works. And so if it pushes higher, cool. If not, that's all good. You have your stop right here. Okay. All right, you guys. See you in the next video. Again, just keep this trading very, very simple. Some of you guys are just overcomplicating every little thing, adding way too many things to your charts. You confused. The market don't know what you want to do. The market don't know what it wants to do. Everybody confused. So just keep the game plan very, very simple. Don't over stress it, you know, and don't over leverage your account just in case the trade backfires or some news come out and pops it backwards. That's all. All right. See you in the next video. And by the way, we do have the new trading systems coming out. I'm working on one for the MT5, MT4, and TradingView all at the same time. I was trying to plan for this weekend, but it may be a little delayed, so I'll keep you guys notified. But that's 3 different systems coming out for the members of the Easy MT5 group, okay? But again, if you don't want to trade anymore and you want to get copied on our trades or whatever, you know, we got the Forex copier, which is the indice copier, the Forex copier, Go copier, and whatever else. We got a bunch of stuff on supereasycopycat.com. But if you want to learn how to trade live in the live setting, don't forget we have Futrix, FUTTRIX.com, where you can learn live with Miss Jenny, or you can get my trade alerts when I send them out for the agent session on Futrix.com. Either way it goes, the links are all be in the thumbnail. All right, peace and hair grease. I'm out.